These folks are very knowledgeable. They're good to work with. In my opinion, they're one of the best in the country. I would recommend Pinnacle Orthopedics because of the doctors and the nurses. Everybody over there is great to work with. My therapist is a doctor of therapy and had no knowledge of the PRP and stem cell injections. When I first went in, he was very skeptical. And 3 months later, he told me, he said, I was very skeptical of this. And now I will be referring several people to Pinnacle Orthopedics because of what I've seen you go through in a short period of time versus what we see on a normal basis around here of having surgery. So I would definitely send anybody and everybody to Pinnacle Orthopedics. Mike Alexander. I live in Electra, Texas, and I am retired. Before going to Pinnacle Orthopedics, I had had surgery on my shoulder several years prior, about 1.5 years before I felt like I was 100%. Then after this time around, I had torn the same rotator cuff in the same shoulder again several years later. So I went to Pinnacle Orthopedics, and I was told that because of surgery first time, there was not enough material to fix it again. My best option was to go to PRP and stem cell injections. I was kind of hesitant because I'm not that up on modern medicine, but because the group at Pinnacle Orthopedics, they explained how it all works and how quick I would have recovery, so I went that line, and I'm glad now that I did, because 3 months later after therapy, having the PRPs and stem cell injections done at Pinnacle, 3 months later, I'm at like 90-95% normal, to where before I was a year and a half getting back to normal. So I would definitely say Pinnacle Orthopedics is the way to go. It's an option to keep them having to have surgery. And I'll be referring more people to Pinnacle Orthopedics because of their knowledge and their way of doing things over there.